Close your eyes, pretend it's a dream, because you wanna go away, 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 away. Don't believe what the sky. Use your will, make your fire, and burn with love here again in our sweet home, Mother Earth. Sweet home, Mother Earth. Sweet home, Mother Earth. Sweet home, Mother Earth. Sweet home, Mother Earth.
Hi guys, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். My name is Dr. I ride a Triumph Street 66675. First of all, a huge shout out to SBK Group for giving me this opportunity. So I am here to talk about this wonderful piece of helmet, the Origin GT Rider. I picked it up 4 months back. The first thing is that the pros of the helmet. Pros of the helmet, it is EC and DOT certified, and they use all high quality materials, and inner linings are all top notch quality, that it provides a wonderful fit. The next thing is that in this price range, this is one of the helmet which gives you a drop down visor, which is ideal for touring. Now going to the cons of the thing is just two things. This helmet doesn't have a pin lock visor, so it gets fogged up easily. So rainy season or winter season, it's really tough riding this helmet. The next thing is that when you hit high speed, the cons of the helmet is just two things. This helmet doesn't have a pin lock visor, so it gets fogged up easily during rainy and winter season. Another thing is that when you hit high speeds of 150-160 km/h, the wind noise is very much high in this helmet. Other than that, this helmet is really good. So it is an absolute value for money. This price range is one of the best helmets available in the market, and it's an ideal helmet for city and cruising. Thank you guys, ride safe.